Hello world, this is Darin Martineau from Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to talk about some incredible marketing tools that I have discovered and I share with my team here at Team Freedom. This first one here is Loom, and that's what I'm using now, and I really love it. Uh, so you can make these screen capture recording videos, and I will make other videos talking about a lot of tools, but I'm talking about some of my favorite tools right now. I use a lot of AI. This is a new tool called Opus. You can put a video inside here, just upload it to Clip Opus. I'll leave the link in the description, and I can take one video and make it into 16 clips here that I can use for Reels, for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, anything like that. Now, what I want you to do is put in your name and your email, and you're going to be taken to a page like this. Okay. So once you put in your name, what I want you to do is you're going to be taken to the inside of Team Freedom. And I'm going to show you what that looks like here just in a moment. So this is the next tool I'm going to talk about. And I'm going to just play the video. And this is made with CapCut. This is made with AI. Okay, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but if you look on my YouTube channel, I create videos, screenshot videos, regular videos, and AI. This was done with AI today, and it's an incredible promo. So we have that. Now we're going to take you to the next thing, which is a tool that I use. And this is the next tool. Okay, I'm going to show you on my blog, joinfreedom.club. And this was done with a different AI tool, which I show you inside Team Freedom. And you can do the images, you can do all kinds of things. So I can make incredible blog posts. And what makes them so special is the SEO that's done and all of the different optimization within the prompts. There's multiple prompts inside of it. So I can create absolutely incredible blog posts, reviews, anything like this. So this is the next thing I wanted to show you. Now we're going to go to the next one. Okay, so now we are inside of Team Freedom. What I want you to do is put in your name and email, and then I want you to double opt in. I want you to verify your email because I'm going to be sending you all kinds of incredible free training. Now, inside of this incredible Team Freedom funnel, we're going to give you the ability to duplicate this funnel, copy this funnel for free. And so in order to do that, you need to follow the steps, okay? And I have a video on each of the steps. Now, the first step is going to be joining GDI, okay? What is GDI? Well, it's a business where you can build your website, your domain, and your hosting, and this will pay you. GDI, Global Domains International, will pay you commissions for each of your referrals registered domains. GDI will also pay you commission for their referrals, and their referrals also through 5 levels. Then on top of that, they have a bonus for every 5 paid affiliates you refer to GDI in 1 week period. You get an additional $100 cash bonus. So the first step is to join that, and that is $10 a month. And what that gives you is your own domain name, which you choose. It's a .ws, and then you get hosting, website builder, all kinds of stuff with that. And I'll have more trainings on that. So that's step 1. So that's $10 a month. That's GDI. Step 2 is Nexus Rewards. When you come inside here and you watch these videos, this will do an overview of the program. And what it is the ultimate cashback savings and referral program. This one is $10 a month. It has an incredible comp plan attached to it. So we're going to activate the comp plan. Now the next step is step 3, and that's joins Leads Leap. Leads Leap is a traffic exchange, and it's a multiple marketing tool. It's kind of like the Swiss Army knife of marketing tools. It's an autoresponder, page builder, and many other things. So that's step 3. So that one is $27 a month. That allows us to have, now when you get each of these steps, I unlock the bonuses. The bonus number 1, I explain in more detail. So the unlocking of the bonuses for GDI is you're going to get over 328 emails, okay? And then when you go to step 2, I'm going to give you more marketing trainings that goes along with that, okay? Number 3 is Lead Sleep. Now, when you have Lead Sleep, you're going to be able to plug in to get all of our landing pages or squeeze pages. And those are email capture pages, right? Squeeze pages, different names. But I allow you to copy this whole funnel. I give you the Lead Sleep share code, okay? Now, with this bonus is going to unlock, each one's going to unlock the different bonuses. Like I said, I don't have time to go into all of them, but I'm just giving you an overview. So we have in step 6 what's called max organic traffic. And what that is what I just showed you on the blog post. It allows you to use ChatGPT, but it's not just ChatGPT. You have to have the special prompts that optimize with SEO and all these other things, powerful ad copy and many different layers. And what that does, that's a product that allows you to have incredible blog posts and product reviews and such. So each step, you're going to unlock the different bonuses, okay? Step 1, GDI unlocks a bonus of 328 emails, okay? That's $10 a month. Step 2, Nexus Rewards. This is the ultimate cashback and savings referral program. What that does, what makes it so good is that when you join this, there's a way that you can unlock bonuses from different savings apps. One of them is Rakuten. When you get Rakuten, at this time now, and this could be different than the time of this video, typically you spend $30 and then what happens is they give you $30 back. So you'd go to Walmart and you can just buy some consumables. And what happens is when you put your name inside of here, okay, inside of Nexus, when someone joins, they will go through the apps, and there's several different apps, but primarily 3, okay? And that's the Nexus app, the Rakuten app, and then Fetch. And what happens is with Rakuten, right now, they're running a special. When you spend $50, you get $50 back. So this also unlocks cash rewards. So like I said, you can offset the cost of joining because it costs $10 a month, but also with a $50 activation fee. And the reason you want to join the premium level is because you're going to unlock the 50% commissions. They do have free levels as well. But what I unlock for the bonuses is, like I said, step 1, the 328 emails. Okay, I'm going to give you the share code for Lead Sleep so you can plug that in. Step 2, I have a whole system with that, with marketing. And then step 3 is going to be the Lead Sleep, which I'm going to unlock the squeeze pages and much more. So just put in your name and email. I'm going to go into more explanation, and this is going to teach you how to create multiple streams of income now. So we'll see you on the inside.